If your iPhone 5G, 4G, or LTE isn't working, here are 4 quick solutions to fix this connectivity issue. First, make sure LTE is actually enabled. Open Settings, tap Mobile Data or Cellular, then select Mobile Data Options. Tap Voice and Data and choose LTE. This ensures your iPhone network settings are configured correctly for 4G connectivity. If LTE still isn't working, go to Settings, scroll down to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping it again. This clears any network configuration issues affecting your mobile data connection. Sometimes VPN can interfere with cellular data. Open Settings to VPN and Device Management. If VPN is enabled, toggle it off to restore your iPhone LTE connection if you've turned on any VPN. Finally, disable SIM PIN temporarily. Go to Settings, tap Mobile Data, then scroll to SIM PIN, toggle it off, and enter your PIN code to verify. This can resolve SIM card authentication issues blocking 4G network access. Try these solutions in order, and your iPhone's cellular connectivity should be restored. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Knoll Tech for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.